Hello, everyone. Today I take you to a special place, which is behind me, 10,000 class dust-free purification workshop. It is a dust-free purification workshop that we Jinhua have specially built for high-purity rare gases, electronic-grade high-purity gases and other chemical high-purity gas purification equipments, etc. Delicate equipments that have special requirements for cleanliness of monomer equipments, pipelines, pipe fittings, valves, instruments, and so on. Now you follow our camera to visit together. First of all, we come to the preparation room. Here we have to clean out the items that are prohibited to be brought into the clean room. And then do a good job of cleaning the other tools and items that are brought into the room. Further inside is the dressing room. We have to wear the special mask, dust-free hat, dust-free shoe covers, gloves correctly to ensure that no part of the body is exposed to the outside, so as to avoid the dust and dander on the body of the secondary pollution of the tower. Then we check in the mirror to confirm, and then push open the door. Came into the dust-free purification workshop is the last hurdle, our shower room, blowing dust. People stand inside the wine shower room to slowly rotate 360 degrees. At the same time, gently beat the whole body of clothing. A full range of wine shower purification. The dust particles may still be attached to the body or blown off. Finally, it officially came to the 10,000 level dust-free purification workshop. It has a total area of 238 square meters. Strictly according to the Class 10,000 dust-free workshop standards construction, according to the standard equipped with purification and ventilation systems, purification and air conditioning and other advanced equipment, to ensure that the air in the workshop is always maintained in a super pure, constant temperature and humidity of the state. In addition to the strict requirements just mentioned, our staff will regularly carry out comprehensive cleaning and disinfection of the workshop to ensure that it is always in an ultra-pure, clean state. Well, today about the Class 10,000 clean room I will introduce to this. Let's see you next time.
记得点赞关注哦。